Good morning, this is Luke Robinson with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana with your planning briefing for Sunday, April 11th. We'll start off with the weather threat matrix, and we do have much of the region highlighted for a low impact due to breezy east-northeast winds and some mountain snowfall for much of the week this coming week. So starting tomorrow, we'll have a low pressure system developing in western Washington and western Oregon. It's going to move southeast through the day, and then it's going to linger over northern Nevada for much of the week this coming week. And what this is going to do is going to open the door for a cooler air mass and those breezy east-northeast winds to move southwest out of Canada into western Montana and portions of the Clearwater National Forest. Most of the precipitation with this event is going to be along the Continental Divide. There's not going to be a whole lot of moisture associated with this. The higher mountains will see accumulating snowfall with probably around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of liquid precipitation in the lower valleys as far west, say Hungry Horse in northwest Montana, and then down into the Sealy Lake region and portions of southwest Montana. Now there will be a few scattered showers that will make it as far west as the Bitterroot National Forest, West Lolo, and then Clearwater National Forest, but the more concentrated precipitation will be along the Continental Divide. This low pressure system will finally start to move out of the region towards the end of the week, but starting tomorrow and going through at least Friday, expect to have widespread east-northeast winds persistent all week long. The strongest winds will be tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then again on Tuesday. The strongest winds will be in western Montana, particularly in west central Montana, portions of northwest Montana, and this will bleed down into southwest Montana by Tuesday. So I've got a few point locations that I've added to the slide briefing. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on each one of these. You can pause the video once we get to a particular area that you're more concerned with. But this is different locations throughout the region. For around the Kootenai area, on the bottom you can see the progression with the relative humidities through the week. We are not expecting any precipitation in this region, but you can get an idea of how the relative humidities will change throughout the week. There's the HotSprings just west of the Mission Valley. MooseCreek down in the Bitterroot. And then the Missoula Quadrant 1. 9 Mile. And then the BeaverheadDeerlodge. MooseCreek in the Clearwater National Forest. And now for our 6 to 10 day outlook, we are expecting below normal precipitation going through the 19th of April. And then for our temperatures, at least for this coming week, will be below normal, and then we'll start to see a little bit of a warm up going into next weekend. And again, I'm just going to highlight the weather threat matrix. That concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Have a good day.